Hello guys, good afternoon. So we have come again for today. Today is their day 5. Yes, so there is no mortality today. They are okay today. No mortality. They are all eating. They are healthy for now. So I'll be giving them their antibiotics for the 4th day. So after today, tomorrow, then I'll stop the antibiotics. So I'll be giving it to them now. So I will change to my working outfit and start up my activities, guys. No, do have a lovely day, okay? Enjoy yourself today. I love you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Daisy Poetry, and you can follow me on Facebook. If you're not following me, or if you're not following me on Facebook, you are wrong. Go. So follow me on Facebook and your children, okay, guys? I love you guys. Bye for now. Bye, 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 bye. Have a lovely day. Bye. So, they are day 5. Look at them. They are just eating and sleeping. Oh, yeah, after a while. Eat, sleep, poop. Waiting they come out for this one to do. So that's it, guys. Look at them now. Day 5 of our beds.